So for me, Startup Weekends are a really important way for people to get exposure to this amazing, fantastical world of startups. It's only 3 days, but it gives you so much information in those 3 days. And it really gives them a starting point to go forth and use those skills and tools that they've obtained during the weekend to do other things. I started going to Startup Weekends 18 months ago, and it really did change my life. And when I came back to Logan each night after these weekends thinking, where is it? Why isn't it here? Why is no one doing this? And so I really wanted to make sure that people of Logan, including myself, had an opportunity to do these types of events in Logan.
It's really exciting being here today at the very first Startup Weekend in Logan as an event to be able to bring the community together. And also because it's a social enterprise, social impact focus, actually bringing people together, not just do a startup, but do a startup that has impact in the community, for the community, by the community. So to have this, the first one to kick off and mobilize people around addressing real community challenges in Logan, it's an absolutely incredible experience. Huge shout out to everybody behind it to be able to get this off the ground, and really excited to see where this is going to go into the future.
Yeah, the Logan Startup Weekend's really been a bit of a catalyst now, so people can see what's possible. There's a future. I believe there's a future, and just having this experience and being a part of it means that people understand now what's involved. So that's been really great for people to understand that. Yeah, my personal takeaway from this whole experience is that we do have an opportunity, especially here in Logan. There is a ton of people, and in fact the problem that we're working on is a social impact issue, and that's around skilled migrants, because there's an awful lot of people within Logan that have an awful lot of skill, but they're just not provided the space and the opportunity to bring those skills together, meet other people, complement each other on how to get those skills and solve real problems for Logan City.
There is actually an appetite in Logan for this stuff. There is a full-on appetite for it. And look, here we're Sunday afternoon and people are here engaged in building businesses in a little e-waste recycling business. It's kind of cool. And this has been a great beginning for journeys for lots of people. Now, the journey might not end the way they thought it was going to end. It may not end well, but at least they've got a business model canvas. They understand about developing a business. They understand about the first thing you do is not the thing that you end up with. Just get going.
One of the things we say in innovation is that change happens as soon as you ask the question. And so what we have here is a whole bunch of people coming together, these innovators. They don't have the answers, but they know they have the questions, and they're going out there into the community, and simply by asking the community the question, by engaging with them, we're actually starting to see the change as it happens. And we're going to be able to see a more rapid difference because it's just an emerging field. So really exciting times ahead for Logan. So this is almost like ground zero, what we're talking about here with this Startup Weekend, because out of this is going to come 2 or 3 ideas, and then those ideas are going to get mentored to actually potentially even become a company, and then we'll get the investors around, and then we'll get the local government coming along to support, and we'll get the corporations coming along to say, how can we help? This is where it starts. And you look back in 2 or 3 years and you can point to this one day in November in Logan where you can say it started here. So it's really early days, but I'm excited to see the different aspects of what they call the innovation ecosystem emerge to help support what's happening here today.